Hello everyone, we are out in the rain and Kai is taking bath and even Juju take a bath. The way they do it is that the rain sit on the leaves of the trees and they rub themselves in the between the branches and leaves and kind of enjoy. They like it. My big boy is there enjoying some rock and Juju doing the bath like this, just rubbing to the leaves, and Kai is already super wet, and some apple and oranges skewered to the tree for them. What you doing, Juju? Hello, Mr. Ruby. Hello. Hello. You already been here. The leaves are not wet enough. Okay everyone, it's wet. We go in. Bye bye.